Day 28. God renews your strength. Strength is rising in me. My flesh and my heart may fail, but God is the strength of my heart. God, be my strength today. Where I feel weak, make me strong. Where I feel tired, renew me. Where I feel overwhelmed, lift me. Amen. There will be days when you feel drained, emotionally worn out, or short on strength. That doesn't make you weak, it makes you human. But you are not limited to your human strength. God strengthens your heart. God renews your energy. God lifts your spirit when everything feels heavy. Your strength doesn't have to come from effort, it can come from God. And His strength doesn't run out. Even when you feel empty, God fills you. Even when you feel tired, God restores you. Even when you feel weak, God carries you. Speak this: God is my strength.